Hello and welcome to Daniel Heather Cartoon for Kids. Shall we start our story? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Daniel Heather Cartoons. So let's go on the joyride. A time in a beautiful, quiet, sparkling pond, there lived a gentle duck named Donna. She was a kind, soft-feathered duck who loved to swim and splash around the water. But Donna was little different from the other ducks. She didn't have a big family, brothers and sisters like everyone else. One sunny morning, as Donna paddled peacefully through the pond, she heard a tiny quack. She turned back and saw something very special. A little duckling, no longer bigger than a ball of fluff, trying to swim by itself. Hello there, Donna called out with a warm smile. The little duckling looked up at her with the big curious eyes. I'm lost. I don't have mommy or daddy to help me. Donna's heart melted. Well, you are not alone anymore. I'll take care of you. She promised, and so from that day, Donna and her new little friend became the best of pals. Every day they would swim together, play hide and seek among the reeds, and chase little bubbles that float on the surface. Donna showed Duckling how to dive, how to find tasty snacks in the water, and how to sing cheerfully songs. The little duckling in return kept Donna company and made her laugh with its silly battle and funny quackings. Afternoon, the pond became very quiet. Donna and Duckling noticed something strange. They had wandered into a beautiful secret path of the pond they had never seen before. Flowers bloom all around, and a soft breeze whispered through the trees. I think we found a magical place, said the duckling, eyes wide with the wonder. Donna smiled. Yes, we found it together. We make our own special family right here and a farm that day on. Donna and her little duckling lived happily in the magical corner of the pond. They knew that everything they didn't have the biggest family. They had each other and made that strange bond with stronger and braver than they had ever been. Donna and little duckling swim in the pond and happy ever after. So, dear kids, I hope you liked the story of Donna and Duckling. If you want more stories like this, don't forget to subscribe and like Daniel Heather cartoons. And I will make sure the story continues for you. We will meet you in the next exciting story. Until goodbye.